So I really don't want to scare you with what I'm about to share, but I feel like I can't just keep it to myself. And by scare, I actually really mean just like totally blow your mind. We all know that AI, especially ChatGPT, is going to make more millionaires, more billionaires, and I think we're going to see our very first trillionaire because of AI. And I've gotten so scary good at using AI and ChatGPT that I've scaled my consulting business, my media buying consulting business, from $30,000 a month to over $100,000 a month. So I'm going to share with you guys 10 scary, crazy, scary, good prompts that will completely blow your mind and transform your life. These prompts you can use in ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude. If you like Bard, you could use it there too, I guess. But here we go. Let's go. Number one. Have you ever wished you had like a mentor or somebody that you could talk to help you make a lot of money? Somebody that's already done that, that's super successful, that you wish you could, get inside their brain? Well, this prompt is for you. Here, this prompt is going to help you talk to a millionaire. You're going to say, hi, ChatGPT, I want you to answer and you can put in a millionaire. Let's say Barbara Cochran. Use all the knowledge of Barbara and any and every available information about how she thinks. My challenge is, and then put whatever your challenge is that you want to reiterate to Barbara and say, now provide me with a detailed 500-word answer with 3 action points. So whichever millionaire you want to have answer, you've got their answer. Number 2, this is for any type of news research that you need to get completed. So you're just going to say, find the latest news about company and or topic and provide a summary of the 3 most important events. So instead of you having to do all of the searching and combing through what's relevant on the web, ChatGPT is going to do that for you, summarize it, and actually pull the most important ones for you. Just save yourself hours of time. You're welcome. Let's go prompt number 3. I actually see a really big opportunity here when it comes to this space, but this is a medical GPT. So if you have anything that you need to know, describe your condition, or you need to know symptoms of something, here's the prompt. You are now a medical GPT, one of the best doctors in the world. Can you give me a list of symptoms for whichever disease? You can also upload pictures if you've got something wrong with you, like acne or anything, and you can take a picture of it and upload it to ChatGPT and have them say, you are the best dermatologist. Can you describe how I should treat this? Number 4, this is going to help you to learn literally anything. So here's the prompt. I want to learn about the insert topic. Identify and share the most important 20% of learnings from this topic that will help me understand at least 80% of it. This prompt is really strategic, and just wait for the output that it gives you. It's going to be so good. Number 5, and this is similar to number 1. If you want to talk to not a millionaire, but a historical figure, here's the prompt. I have a question about, here's the topic. My question is, how would this historical figure answer or approach this question? Like, just think about how cool that is. Like, how about Shakespeare? Let's ask what Shakespeare would think about something. Number 6, and this is to make your writing better. And I know a lot of people are always like, oh, ChatGPT, it sounds too much like a robot. So here you go. Here's the prompt to help you and ChatGPT become a better writer. So prompt number 6, proofread my writing above, fix grammar and spelling mistakes, and make suggestions that will improve the clarity of my writing. Number 7, this is a prompt I use all the time as a media buyer when I'm creating ads for my clients. So this is going to be for a viral carousel idea. So you say, I'm looking for a carousel idea that will provide valuable and relevant information to my customer persona about, write the subject, and attract high quality leads with a strong call to action. This one is so helpful. Number 8, this is how I accomplish a lot of things when I've got a task that I need to complete, but I need it all organized in layout. So this is number 8, create a full project plan. Here's the prompt. Create a project plan for topic, include tasks, deliverables, and milestones. Also include how long it will likely take to reach each milestone. I have all my tasks laid out because of this prompt. Number 9, and this one is a pretty obvious one, but still, this prompt actually helps you get the best output for this. So number 9, translator GPT. Act as a live translator. When a message is typed in this language, translate it to whichever language you prefer. And when a message is typed in this language, translate it to the other language. Be mindful of slang, context, and possible cultural ambiguities when translating. That last part is so important. And number 10, one of my favorites, is will help you put together any type of course on any type of subject. So then that way you can relay the information, or you yourself can retain the information. So here's the prompt. You're going to say, develop, name of your course, for me, from basic to advanced. I need you to be my master, act as a PhD professor in the course domain, the industry, the field, Be professional and, if possible, provide long and detailed answers without losing quality. I'm so here for this AI ChatGPT revolution, and my life has already significantly changed, as you guys have probably seen from following along. If you guys like these prompts and you want more of these, let me know in the comments and I will make it happen. Because you guys know, that's just what I do. I hope you guys have a lovely Monday and happy prompting.